really well with my own hair. But I'm gonna stretch out my leave out a little bit. I want to put this in a bowl, so I'm probably gonna do like half up, half down. And then I'm going to also, what else are we gonna do? Half up, half down. And then I was thinking to sort of have some of the hair down like so, but then sort of like sweep this up in a something like this. I'm gonna need a lot of pins to pull that off. And then I was also thinking to leave like a wand of hair right here and right there. So let's try this. Let's see how we're gonna do this. Okay, I'm just gonna straighten my hair a little bit up here, and then I'm gonna try and do the swoop thing. Swoops, like swoop. And I'm just gonna have this up back. It's a lot, I know. Oh, I forgot. Let's put on earrings. So let's begin. I will start off by straightening my leave out, and my apologies for not focusing or having my camera in focus and also having it in this portrait mode. It was supposed to be in landscape. So now that we have the leave-in all straightened out, I'm going to go ahead and define the side part, because we're going to do a side part today. And so let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to take the hair, the part of the hair that I will be leaving as one curls on each side of my head. I like this kind of look for the holidays because it just gives a festive look. And why not something festive for the holidays? So I went ahead to do that, and now you're going to need some clip to clip the back of the hair in place whilst you work on the other side of the hair. And this is the fun part. I wanted to do a side part but also with some amount of hair in my face, so I'm gonna head and tease that part of the hair with a rat tail comb. So let's put all that together. I decided to also straighten that part of the hair again, just to blend my hair in better with the hergivenhair. I really like this blowout unit. It matched really well with my hair, and I'm definitely gonna use it again, maybe sometime in the summer or this next fall. So we're gonna pin now. You will need a good amount of hairpins. Pin it in place just to give it, to secure it, I meant to say. And don't forget that leave out that we're gonna be curling much later. So we'll go ahead and do that right now and just pin it, and pin it. I forgot to turn to show you exactly what I was doing. So now we're gonna use that bow. I got this bow from Shein. Shein has some of the best accessories during this time of year. First, we're gonna start off with this hair tie, and let's do that as a starter. And then now we will use that hair tie. I hope it's looking the way I think it's looking. And we can sweep this to one side. See the back? Oh, is to. Here's the final look. And I'll turn it to where you can sweep it to one side. Have it like that. Okay. Now shoes. I got these shoes from Target. They're white. I've never worn white ones, but I've always wanted to. So let's put these on. Here's everything put together. Now a little fuzzy coat just in case it got cold. Okay, bye.